Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Gemini to check grammar. So the first method, the most effective method, is to request specific types of feedback. Use these prompt styles. So if I okay, let's go like that. So correction only. So check this text for grammar and spelling like that. We put this in here, and now I will do it like so and paste in the text and close like that and hit send. Now this thing will just check the corrections only like so. Then I can also use this like explanatory, so I will do it the same thing, but just type in proved this and explain the changes. And I will then put text into it, close it and submit. Like so. You here get some explanatory. And we can also tone adjustment, so to fix the grammar in this text and make it sound more professional. For example, you can use it this way also. Just hit right here like so. So this is direct prompts, and now it will change in more professional sound look like that. So next, what you can use is Gemini extension right over here, Gemini for Chrome. Add to Chrome, add extension. So what you can do that with that is you can highlight text on any web, right click and select Gemini. So let's go and try to do that. So now, okay, let's stay here and let's try it. So highlight the text on any website, right click and select Gemini. So like that, Gemini here. If the extension is installed, or use the sidebar shortcut. And then here you have some options, some summarize this, simplify this, clarify, analyze and give examples, rephrase this, paraphrase this, rewrite using formal tone, and so on. So if we select one, let's go with clarify and explain this. And right here on the left side, it will open up this Gemini window like that. All right. And now just hit a submit button and you are good to go. And just like that, you can use Gemini for grammar. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.